What's going on, everybody? What do we have here? We have toys, foam cannons. I want to do a quick little video, kind of like a how-to. A lot of people ask questions. A lot of people, if you're like me, would go out instead of buying the nice one that costs, $10 more than the cheap one. Then you spend, I don't know, you buy 10 of those for the price of one of these. And, once again, I'm not affiliated with Chem-X. I use their products. I don't get a discount. I get the same discount you get if you go to their website and, I don't know, enter your email or whatever. But I just want to go over, I do a lot of semi trucks, trailers, stuff like that. So they do have a little, I don't know if you can see this, but for people who are real anal about measuring things, they got a little diagram deal here. I don't know nothing about it. My diagram is simple. If it's decent and it's not, salt, it is wintertime, not in Arizona, but I do about, I don't know, a thumbnail of product, and then the rest is water. And, if it's crappy, in anything, a boat, a car, pickup truck, semi, trailer, I mean, the more soap you put in it, the more powerful it's going to work, right? So I do a lot of two-step stuff. So it's not your typical, car you're doing with a mitt and a brush and all that good stuff. Or there's going to be another video coming out I'll show you what I'm talking about with the power washer and how the two-step stuff works. But for now, cool thing about this, it's got a little weighted end, that little ball right there. That's kind of cool. I like that. Keeps your stuff down in there. And what you got is, and this is for people who are new, don't know anything about this stuff. So you experienced guys, just keep on skipping. This right here is where the power washer goes in. This is your soap to water ratio type of deal. All the way left is basically water only. All the way to the right is basically full amount of soap, which you'll go through a ton of soap if you're doing that. I go back, I go all the way to the right and about a half a turn out, and that's what I like. It seems to work best with my two-step stuff. This right here, this is just your degree of your spray out of your nozzle here or whatever. But I mean, if you really want to go bonkers, you can. I've done Dawn dishwashing liquid. I filled that sucker up to here, rest water, and the foam is crazy, crazy good. But I just wanted to do a little quick video, man. Show you guys how to operate these things. Take care. Thanks for watching. See ya.